All right, social medias. What's up? This is ALGO Capitalist, aka Dex, coming to you real quick. Right here doing the trading session. We're having some very interesting dynamics. Take a look at this Bitcoin futures topping out today at 50,675. All right, so you're now at a new high for the year. Okay, this is pretty incredible. All right, now some may be saying that, oh well, this is not gonna last, or whatever the case may be. But I just want to show you what this means. So coming up here to the 50,000 mark actually puts you back into the conversation of taking out the all-time highs. Here is why I believe we're going to take out the all-time highs in Bitcoin. But you got to tune in for tonight's watch list if you want to know the reason why. But mark my words, on this day, February the 12th, 2024, Bitcoin will take out the 69,360 all-time high within the coming next couple of weeks. All right? We're going to new all-time highs in the Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to give you why that is in tonight's watch list. But there's also a caution. If this next breakout, because today the market has not broken out. Yeah, you had a nice little rally, but this is not the breakout. Tomorrow, the next 24 hours, is the breakout after the CPI comes out tomorrow. If the market breaks out tomorrow and we get a large volume push tomorrow, and we need for the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell to participate, if that happens, now you've entered from a one-day rally to a push, and it opens up the all-time highs. Now, if the rally starts and fails to take this out on this next push, it has to do it on the next push. If it doesn't, I'm here to tell you. You want to know the truth? I'll tell you. You're looking at the 14,935 low thing today. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just here giving you what the scenario is. Right now, if Bitcoin can rally tomorrow, today's up move is nice, 2021, but I'm talking about a rally. A Bitcoin rally is not 2,000 points, 1,500 points. A Bitcoin rally is 5,000 to 7,000 points. We can get that going. This high is out of here. All right, I want to bring that to your attention ASAP. Next, we got a funky situation going on here right now in the NASDAQ, okay? So let me just show this to you so you can see what's going on. All right, in this NASDAQ, here we go. The market was doing pretty good this morning. Hit 18,121.50, new all-time highs for your NASDAQ 100 futures, and now the market is pulling back. All right? Pulling back. Here's what you don't want to see. And this goes for tomorrow's close as well. The market needs to stay above 17,408. All right? It cannot take that out. If it takes it out, we have a problem. That means one of two things. Someone has gotten the CPI data leaked ahead of time and is starting to dump the market. And instead of having an 800-point Dow rally tomorrow, we're going to have an 800-point sell-off in the Dow. If that happens, the 17,408 support is out of here. You cannot allow that to happen. if you want to sustain these markets. All right, if that is taken out, it's game over. It's a wrap at that point. Okay, it's a wrap. All right, this is an emergency. The Dow is up 94 points. S&P 500 futures turned negative, down 7 points. The Russell being the most powerful because it's up 34 points. This is definitely an alarm going off. We're looking at this and we're starting to say, what's going on with the market? All right, now, those of you who are long with me from the reports, we still got some cushion in the S&P and the NASDAQ for now. No need to panic or jump out of the market prematurely. But we're watching, all right? You can't have all the indices go negative today. If they do, there's a high probability chance that someone got the report early. It's not going to be pretty, and they're dumping ahead of the report. That never happens. Markets always rally into the report and then explode higher after the CPI report. Go back and look at your last several CPIs. You'll see what I'm talking about. I've shown you the charts before. Tomorrow's no different. I'm expecting a powerful stock market rally tomorrow, and then we'll probably start to pull back and correct starting like Wednesday into Thursday. All right? That's the setup for now, barring anything out of the ordinary or what have you, okay? Now, if you want to know the truth about this Bitcoin and why I said what I said, I'm going to show you tonight in tonight's watch list. We're going to take a look at it, and we're going to position ourselves accordingly. But like I said, I can't reveal that just yet. I need to see how the market closes today. Now, I know the crypto market never closes, but the futures do. Also, there's a built-in dynamic with the crypto markets on the cash side of things. I didn't make this up. I didn't create it. It's just how they built it. Crypto is unique in that when Forex and futures and equities close on Friday, crypto is still going. However, their Friday starts Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard New York time, and goes until 6 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. That's how it is. I didn't make it up. It is what it is. Okay? Because of that, we have a day lag in the futures. So let's say the market settled up 1,000 points on Friday on the Bitcoin futures, and let's say something happens in the overnight, in the weekend, over the weekend, it drops 3,000 points. Well, the futures still closed up 1,000 points on Friday. So when the Sunday night comes, it now has to back and fill that gap, and then meet the cash market wherever it is. So because of that, that's why we have the 24-hour lag. That does come into play with the stock indexes too. Another reason why I believe that tomorrow should be no different, and we should have a huge run-up tomorrow after the report, is because this is now, the Chinese New Year, okay? And because of that, China's stock market is closed for 2 weeks, all right? And that's a big economy, so you won't have those shares doing anything because their market's closed. So the markets are not going to do everything that they could do or could have done if China was open. And because we're a global marketplace, you have to take these things into account. So technically speaking, you could say there's a 2-week delay being built in right now in these markets too. So if the market does pull back here, all right, I don't think it's going to be necessarily anything substantial, but anything's possible. And because of the China market being closed for 2 weeks, but there's another caveat, because the Chinese stock market has been getting wrecked, there's a possibility of a sympathy trade, meaning that for the next 2 weeks, we could see the U.S. stock market go down, for that sake. All right, I don't make these rules up. It's just the way the global marketplace is how the game is played now. All right, there could be a sympathy correction in the U.S. equity market over these next 2 weeks until China reopens, just on that fact alone. Not saying it will happen, just saying that today's close will be pivotal. I need to see how this NASDAQ and this S&P closes, and we need to see what Bitcoin does too. So get ready, because it's going to be fast and furious and game on tonight when the futures reopens. All right, I just had to tell you guys that you don't want to miss out on this evening's good stuff. I just play your music a little louder and I won't be able to hear you at all. I don't have any music playing in the background. I don't know. Frank, you have to, I don't know what they're talking about. I can't hear anything. Okay. All right, so I'm done here. I just want to let you guys know that. And also, if you are not privy to it, we have revamped the website. So peruse that when you get a chance, pulsewavetrading.com. And there's a bunch of goodies on there. We're rolling out a lot of neat little things here. So we just want to let you know what's there for you to take advantage of. And with that being said, remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'll see you guys tonight. Peace.